Hi everyone, I hope everyone are good at home. In last classes we have discussed about the 7th chapter, that is weather, climate and adaptation of the animals to that climate. Now in this chapter we will learn about the winds, storms and cyclones. Before I start this winds, storms and cyclones, everyone we have seen in the last two year back, that is in the 2007, the disaster of the Kerala. It was hit by a cyclone. We have seen in TVs. Now in recently we are seeing about the Hyderabad disaster. It is also hit by the cyclone. But what is the reason that they are hit by the cyclones? How the cyclones are formed, how the winds are formed and how the storms are formed, we will see in this chapter. Now here first they have given about the Orissa. It was hit by a cyclone in the year 1999 and October 18th. 45,000 houses were vanished and 7 lakh people were homeless and 7 lakh people were died. On 29th of the same year, the second cyclone with wind speed of the 260 km per hour has hit the Orissa again at 9 meters high. Thousands of people were died. We have seen some cyclones, winds and storms in the news and also in the newspaper. But how they are formed, what the reason behind that, we will discuss in this chapter. Now, first we will see what are the winds. Wind is the fastest moving air, is called as the wind. Wind is called the fastest moving air. You may have observed when you are driving a bicycle, if the air pressure is so much in front of you in the opposite directions where you are moving, the air has the pressures, you are not able to drive the bicycle so fastly. Yes, air exerts pressure. To prove this, we have an experiment. Take a small tin and start, that is steel, any steel vessel you can take, start boiling the water in it. Boil the water to an approximate temperature. Then take the water and add it to a plastic bottle. Keep it, suddenly take that bottle and keep in a wash basin, or you can use the steel can also. Keep that bottle in the can and also close the tap of the bottle. Now add cold water on the bottle. You will see that the water bottle loses its shapes because the pressure of the air inside can decrease, then the pressure exerted by the air outside can increase, and also it gets compressed. Means the pressure, we don't have any pressure inside the bottle because we have water droplets and also the water vapors. It also exerts the pressure. And from the outside we are exerting the pressure on the bottle with the cold water. So it will be compressed and the water bottle loses its shape. Now we will see about the high speed winds and high speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. It means that, see here, we are having a bottle, keep one paper ball in it and start blowing air inside the bottle. If the mouth of the air is small, the paper ball can move easily inside the water bottle. If the mouth of the bottle is larger, then the air that is having the inside pressure won't allow the paper to move inside the bottle. It proves that the air has the pressure. Because our blowing air is moving upside of the bottle, not to the paper ball that is settled down inside the bottle. It shows that the pressure, the inside the bottle, it is having the air and the air occupies the space. Here we are having another experiment, that is blow the balloon. These are the another take two balloons, add some water in it, add the equal amount of water in it and start blowing the balloon, and tie the balloon to a cycle spoke or a stick. In a equal centimeter, the balloon should be tied with the equal distance. Now start blowing some air near the balloon in the opposite directions. What will happen? The balloons started to push each other in the same directions. It happens because the pressure of the air between the balloon where somehow is reduced, and the pressure outside the balloons would then push them towards each other. And here you can see that a blowing over a strip of a paper. It means that we should hold one strip of a paper and also we should start blowing the strip of a paper. The pressure of the paper take the pressure of the air take the paper into the different shape. This is because increased wind speed is indeed accompanied by the reduced air pressure. It means that the strip that we are blowing has the pressure, and also it exerts the pressure on the whole strip and make it to move and get the shape of the different angles. This shows that the air has the pressure. If the high speed winds started blowing and the roof of the houses are very weak, then ultimately the roof of the house would be vanished. It shows that the air exerts pressure. Now we discuss about the air expands on heating. What is this air expands on heating? Yes, we have to see how the air expands on heating. Here is one experiment. We should take 3 test tubes, 3 balls. In one ball we will be adding the balloon tied over the neck of the normal tube, that is normal water we have kept in that, and another we are using the boiling hot water, and then we are taking the test tube, the same test tube, into the impressed cold water. First we will see in the normal water. Normal water does not have any pressure in it, so the balloon would not be able to inflated. Now I will take the test tube and keep it in the hot water. The pressure exerted on the test tube and also the water vapor make the balloon inflated. Then I will take the same test tube and keep it in the cold water. Here the pressure would decrease and also the balloon would not be inflated. These 3 experiments shows that the air exerts pressure and it also expands on heating. Here we are having another experiment. Take 2 plastic bags or plastic covers, tie it to a stick. In the equal difference between the cover should be in the equal centimeters, and the length of the cover tied, it also must be in the equal centimeters. Now take a candle, start blowing the candle and let the pressure or the candle light airs rising up. Hot air must rise up inside the cover. It shows that after little time the pressure of the cover increases, because when the cover started The warm air pushes the bag and the bag would open, and we know that the air occupies the space. The air will occupy the space of the cover and the pressure will be increased here. It shows that the warm air is lighter than the cold air. The cold air in the atmosphere will occupy the space and it expands and the pressure is increased here. Okay everyone.